Hello and welcome to Running In-Person and Virtual Events. I'm Gary Ross. Event production and management is a responsibility requiring, with apologies to Liam Neeson, a very particular set of skills. In many cases, those of us in the communications team, especially internal comms, are given this responsibility. Events are seen as a kind of communications activity, which is true, but they require a lot more than core communication skills. Events require strategic content development, creativity, and a great deal of managing up as we wrangle executives through preparations, rehearsals, and the event itself. That's our kind of thing. Events also require project management, attention to detail, and a precise orchestration of various elements and support services, from audio-visual production to catering. We're good at that stuff too. Now put it all together with tight deadlines, budgets of varying sizes, and the watchful eyes of senior executives, your immediate manager, and a large number of event attendees. It can become a pressure cooker, all while you're trying to do your best work. In this course, we want to take some of that pressure off. We'll help you think through and remember the things that help make an event successful. All of this will apply to both in-person and virtual events, and we'll go over items specific to each format when necessary. And just to level set, we're talking about a large or high-profile internal event, like a leadership meeting, a department offsite, even team building. Other events involving audiences from outside the organization, like trade shows, supplier meetings, those sorts of events, those are out of scope for this course. Now, here's what we'll cover. First, we'll go over what you and your organization should be considering before you even decide to hold an event. What are you trying to accomplish? What format would be best for your event? Then we'll cover some best practices for event preparation. What to do when creating your agenda, deciding on sessions, and prepping your content. We'll also get into the nitty-gritty of event production, with details to consider for both in-person and virtual events. There's a lot going on here, so along the way we'll provide you with downloadable checklists to help you keep track of everything each time you run an event. Running an event is a big job. It can feel all-consuming and even a bit daunting. But when an event goes well, it can be exhilarating. And when the CEO or your manager tells you how happy they are with an event you ran, it's a great feeling and not a bad thing for your career. This course will help you get from exasperation to exhilaration when running events. Let's get started.